Approximately 10 o'clock or so, received a call from Central Dispatch of a train pedestrian accident at the Fort Wayne Street crossing. The units responded and found a female underneath the train. Determined that a northbound train had struck her as she actually had walked onto the tracks right before the engine came to the crossing. At this point, we know it's a female. There's been an amputation to one of her arms. She has other injuries to her body, but also has they are life-threatening injuries, or could be. So they're transporting her now to trauma center in Fort Wayne.